Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making my mom some dinner. I cooked some instant ramen and I boiled an egg. I peeled the egg and I cut it. I put some sauce in the noodles. Then I mixed the noodles and I put the eggs on top of the noodles. I know the eggs are overcooked, but don't judge me for that. I cut an avocado into slices and then I scooped them out and I put it on the noodles too. I put some chicken and I put all the utensils she needs to eat this, folded inside a napkin, and that's her dinner. Bye!